With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, we are given the question and the question says the mass of pendulum bob is 2 kg and the length of the string is L. It is displaced through 90 degrees from the vertical and released. What minimum tension should the string should be able to withstand so that it does not break during its motion? Right? So first of all, let's draw the diagram. It is hang from this position. Right? This is the pendulum here. And this is at 90 degree position, right? So there is a tension here. The string is of same length L. It would have velocity in this direction. There is a force that is mg acting here. So the mass of pendulum is 2 kg. Mass is 2 kg. Length of the string is L. It is displaced through an angle of 90 degree from the vertical and released. What minimum tension should the string should be able? So what should be the minimum tension here? So the energy would get converted, right? Since this height, we are taking this to be the reference, right? So potential energy is getting converted into kinetic energy. So using work energy theorem, right? mgl should be equal to half mv square. So m and m gets cancelled from here, right? So v square is equal to 2gl, right? So from here what we could say is that there would be a centripetal force here, right? So centripetal force, that is mv square by L, would balance out T minus mg here. So we can substitute v square here. So 2mgl, right? So it would be v square, right? Yeah. So it would be 2mgl by L. That would be equal to T minus mg. So tension from here, since this is 2mg plus mg, that would be 3mg. So that would be equal to 3 into mass is 2 kg, 2 into 10. We can take g to be 10 meter per second square. So it would be 60 Newton, right? So it would be able to withstand the tension or the force of 60 Newton. That is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.